Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you on this episode of okra gumbo soup. Yes, you heard that right, okra gumbo soup. So first, chop your okra into sizable amounts, and then the other sets of okra we will blend with a blender. First, I like to pour in my combination of blended pepper into a clean pot. Let that cook for about 5 minutes. Set aside once that is ready, and on to the next steps. The next step very well begins by adding 2.5 cups of water into a new pot or a clean pot if you may. Next you see me add in some actually pinch of potash and a very important ingredient here, iru, also called locust beans. And I will let the potash and the locust beans sit together in the water for about 2-3 minutes to boil. Once that is boiling, go ahead and grab a salt or some salt to taste in your soup. Did you even know that you could actually spice up your water for cooking before pouring in the main ingredients? Well, you just learned a trick here. Next, you want to add in your clean shrimp. Oh my god, you're about to blow your mind away with some nice Jurassic Park okra gumbo. And you will be doing that alongside with clean Pomo, of course. And now you will let that cook together for 5 minutes. There should be some aroma in your kitchen at this point. I have some clean and pre-cooked periwinkle that I'll be adding into this recipe. For today, that's completely optional. You can definitely go without it if you don't like periwinkle, but I do love periwinkle, so that was a yes for me. And yes, it's okra time. So let's start by adding in the chopped okra into the combination that we already have started here. And next I would give it a gentle stir. I want to let you in on a secret. When you're cooking okra soup, you need to remember stir, 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 and never get tired of stirring. That's the secret. And to this, I will be adding in my blended okra. Remember, I have that frozen okra I told you all about. So I will add that into this mixture as well and just give it a gentle stir again. And then I'll let that sit a little bit in water for about 3 minutes to kind of cook together. And this is what you should be getting at this point. You know, I want to say it's the color for me, but then there's the texture, so I really can't choose. I went in and added my cooked pepper into this combination and giving it another gentle stir. Remember what we said about that. Taste, it's always okay to taste for salt and actually desired taste. For me, this is yummy right now. This is a half cup stock water. I got that from cooking my chicken. If you don't have stock water, it's fine. You can get chicken broth in store and substitute for that. If I'll be polite, I would introduce to you all king crab into the combination. And next I went in and added just a pinch of salt. That is completely optional, but continue to taste for desired taste as you go. Let me introduce you to our pre-cooked stockfish. This one comes with a very high recommendation from me. I tell you, you cannot have a good okra gumbo soup without stockfish. Trust me. And while we're at it, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of crayfish or blended shrimp to this recipe. It is definitely needed for taste, for aroma, and just for sweetness. That's what it does, right? And in case you're wondering, what chicken did she get the stock water from? Here's the chicken I got the stock water from. I cooked together my chicken and my smoked turkey, and immediately I'm adding in some dry fish as well, which is again optional because you already have in some stockfish. But remember the goal. The goal is to make the best Jurassic Park, the best seafood okra gumbo. Here is the part where I'll be adding my palm oil into the soup and let sit for 4 minutes before the final unveiling. Review time. Yes, there goes my pot of love, and you too can definitely have this in your kitchen if you would follow the steps in the recipe. Hit the notification bell below. Remember to like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Share with friends. Stay subscribed for more videos as they come. And I would definitely like to know how this went. So please tell me that in the comment section below.